Welcome to the McLaren Technology Centre in Woking, UK. Set amidst pristine British countryside with a lake up front, it's a structure straight out of your favourite sci-fi flick. Lucky us then with our all-access pass to this beautiful facility. Treat your eyes on a buffet of McLaren's greatest racing cars from the 60s all the way to the present. Brainchild of McLaren's meticulous executive chairman Ron Dennis, it's every bit the real-life embodiment of his perfectionist vision. Perfect setting then for the announcement of a long-term partnership between OnePlus and McLaren. One brand that never settles and another that's always moving fearlessly forward. The product born from this marriage isn't superficial by any means. The limited edition McLaren version of the OnePlus 60 smartphone is the world's first with Warp Charge 30 for blazing fast charging speeds. The pattern underneath the glass back is reminiscent of McLaren's groundbreaking carbon fiber, while the papaya orange braided charging cable is a reflection of the brand's iconic color scheme. It's also the first OnePlus smartphone to feature a colossal 10 GB RAM under the hood. The McLaren logo around the back of the device and orange lines reflecting light around the edges round up this truly desirable phone. Even the box it comes in is special, with its own set of worthy collectibles that include a book illustrating the glorious history of both brands, as well as a McLaren logo, the iconic speed mark of course, recreated in McLaren-designed F1 grade carbon fiber. It's the same material used in the McLaren MCL 33 2018 Formula 1 car. Are you itching to get behind the wheel of this very special limited edition device? At ₹50,999, it is the most expensive OnePlus phone yet. But for something with a McLaren badge on it, we'd call it a bit of a bargain.